Hello, this is Dr. Tony Madril with another 3 minutes for your mental health. In this video, I'm going to be answering the questions: what is childhood attachment trauma? And what are the potential consequences for adults with histories of attachment trauma? According to modern attachment theory, childhood attachment trauma refers to the disruptions in the healthy formation of emotional bonds between the child and their primary caregiver. This may stem from disruptions such as abuse, neglect, and the lack of emotional attunement between the child and their caregiver. When attachment trauma occurs, it can have lasting negative effects for that child over time, such as difficulty managing their emotions and difficulty forming secure relationships. Recent research also suggests that attachment trauma may also be linked to the development of addictions due to the temporary numbing or positive feeling that engaging in compulsive behaviors may bring. It is important to note that it isn't just drugs and alcohol that I'm speaking about when I say this. In my professional experience, people with histories of attachment trauma may engage in various compulsive behaviors like excessive use of pornography, compulsive sex, or compulsive overeating as a non-conscious attempt to regulate their heightened emotional state. Simply put, because of attachment trauma, some individuals lack the skills necessary to successfully regulate their emotions and may turn to external methods of coping. The following is an example of how problems may arise in the daily life of an adult with a history of attachment trauma. Person A seems fine as they go about their day until they are triggered by an unexpected negative event. The emotional part of the brain that may be hypersensitive to stress because of past trauma immediately responds to the negative event by activating the fight, flight, freeze response, which results in the person experiencing an unexpected level of heightened negative emotion, like anxiety and fear. The sudden emotional discomfort then triggers an urge to use drugs or alcohol to find relief from the pain. After engaging in the compulsive behavior, the person may feel shame and anxiety for having used, which creates further emotional dysregulation and more urges to engage in compulsive activities. This pattern of events may lead to addiction for some people. I invite you to respond to the message contained in this video in the space below, or you may certainly contact me if you're interested in learning more about attachment trauma and its consequences. This is your partner in mental health, signing off for now.